Hey friends, let's pack a crayon box mini Christmas journal kit. So I'm adding in a bunch of vintage papers and stickers and all kinds of ephemera to this kit. Lots of things that I've collected, and it's going to go in this nice little plastic envelope to keep everything nice and safe. And then more ephemera, tickets and tags, and all kinds of fun little things, vintage money, vintage playing cards. All of these fun things are going in this kit, along with all kinds of little pieces of decorating items like tinsel and vintage ribbon and game pieces and little bells and ribbons and this really cute little white snowflake. It's a little coaster style snowflake that I thought was really cute. Also, yep, there's the snowflake. Also, I have the crayon box, which you're getting, and that's going in the kit. So you'll have everything to complete this kit, along with 4 different vintage Christmas fabrics and lots of cool designs on those. So this package is also getting a little bonus with some extra stickers that I'm going to put in a little envelope for you. You can use all of these in the little mini journal, and we'll go ahead and wrap this all up and get it packaged out to you guys. And I'm going to wrap it up in some really cute, fun tissue paper that you can reuse in the journal as well. I try to use all kinds of different tissue paper that I collect or I thrift from different places, mostly Goodwill bins. I usually try to grab vintage tissue paper or, tissue paper whenever I see it. So all of my packages usually have different wrapping, and then we'll also use some baker's twine to match. And again, you can use this baker's twine in the mini journal as well. So use everything up that comes in this little package. So yeah, I'm just tying it right up. I'm going to be adding my little QR code with our logo on the front and get it ready to go into the shipping envelope, and it's going to be ready to go. And be sure to go check this out in my Etsy shop, Shop Wicked Vintage. I will put the link in the description of the video. Have a great day.